Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 10th English medium subject English. Friends, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 6, the 100 dresses 2. 100 dresses in the chapter number 5, 100 dresses 1, we already discussed about Wanda Petrovsky, Peggy and Maddie. Okay, Wanda Petrovsky was a poor girl and all the time she was telling to her friends that she has 100 dresses. In fact, she was telling about her 100 drawings, okay, which was about the dresses. But all the times the girls of who was her classmate made the fun of the Wanda Petrovsky that she had 100 dresses, and after knowing the fact how they will react, Peggy and Maddie, how they will react, they felt sorry about that. Just after winning the contest of the drawing, okay, then after what will happen, this we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, let's see what is there. While the class was circling the room, okay, the class was circling into the room, the monitor from the principal's office brought Mrs. Mason's note. At that time the monitor of the class will come to the class, and she has a monitor has a one note which was given by Miss Mason. Okay, what is there in that note? That is the question for everyone. Miss Mason read it several times and studied it thoughtfully for a while. Then she clapped her hands. Miss Mason read that later many of the times, and after that she clapped her hands. Attention class, just for the attention, everyone were talking, okay, for taking the attention of all the students, Miss Mason clapped her hand and asking the class for attention. Everyone back to their seat. Miss Mason told to the student that everyone go and back to their seat. When she shuffling her feet had stopped, the room was still and quiet. Everyone was seated on their place and everyone was stopping to shuffling. Shuffling मतलब जो पैर के आवाज़ हो रहे थे, that was stopped. The noise of the feet were stopped and room were become silent and quiet. Miss Mason said, I have a letter from the Vanda's father. Miss Mason announced that she had a letter for Vanda's father that I want to read to you. Miss Mason told that I will read the letter for you in the class, which was written by Wanda Petrovsky's father. So everyone has a curiosity क्योंकि Wanda Petrovsky after winning the contest, Wanda never returned to the school. Okay, and which kind of the letter were given by his father to the class, that is the matter of interest for everyone. Okay, then Miss Mason was read the letter. Miss Mason stood there a moment and the silence in the room grown tense, okay, and expectant. Okay, expectant means everyone would expecting that whenever Miss Mason will read about this letter, so everyone were excited to hear what Wanda Petrovsky's father wrote in that letter. The teacher adjusted her glasses slowly. उसने जो चश्मे पहने होते हैं, she adjusted her glasses, धीरे से उसको adjust करते हैं, deliberately. Her manner indicated that what was coming. This letter from Vanda's father. Okay, she told to the class that this letter was written by Vanda's father. Was a matter of great importance. Okay, this letter was wrote by the Vanda's father and it was the matter of great importance. Everybody listen closely as Miss Mason read the brief note. Everyone were listen very closely and Miss Mason read the letter. What was there in the letter which was written by Wanda Petrovsky's father? Here the letter is given. Okay. Dear teacher, Wanda Petrovsky wrote a letter to the class teacher. My Wanda will not come to your school anymore. Wanda will not come to school now. अब Wanda कभी भी school नहीं आएगी. जैक ऑल्सो, जैक भी कभी नहीं आएगा. नाउ वी मूव अवे टू अ बिग सिटी. वेंडा पेट्रोस्की's father wrote that they moved to the big city. No more holler पोलाक मीन्स अब ज़्यादा मजाक नहीं बनाया जाएगा. नो मोर आस्क वाई फनी नेम. नो वन विल आस्क वेंडा दैट वाई शी हैज़ अ फनी नेम. Plenty of funny names in the big city, because in the big city there were a plenty of funny names. So in this letter Venda Petrosky's father made the clearance that Venda Petrosky will not come to the school just because everyone made the fun of her. और वो लास्ट में लिखते हैं वी वर मूव टू द बिग सिटी जहाँ पे सबके फनी नेम होते हैं. ओके, yours truly Jan Petrosky. Jan Petrosky was the name of Venda Petrosky's father. A deep silence met the reading of this letter. After reading the letter by Miss Mason, everyone got in the silence. Miss Mason took off her glasses. She took out her glasses. चश्मे उतारती है. Blow on them, wipe them on her soft white handkerchief. और उसके ऊपर वो ब्लो करती है और फिर she वीप्ड मतलब उसको जो हैंडकचीफ होता है उसका जो रुमाल होता है उससे वो साफ करती है. देन शी पुट देम ऑन अगेन और अगेन उसको वो वियर कर लेती है. आफ्टर दैट वीपिंग शी वियर इट अगेन एंड लुक्ड एट द क्लास. आफ्टर दैट शी लुक्ड टू द क्लास. व्हेन शी स्पोक हर वॉइस वेरी लो. आफ्टर रीडिंग द लेटर वेन एवर मिस मेसन विल स्पीक टू द क्लास हर वॉइस बिकम वेरी लो. उसका आवाज़ जो है वो बहुत ही लो हो जाता है क्योंकि शी फेल्ट सॉरी फॉर द वेंडा पेट्रोस्की. आई एम श्योर दैट none of the boys and girls in room 13 would purposely and deliberately hurt anyone's feeling because his or her name is happen to be long. So she tell to the class ke no one in the class of 13 boys or girls, okay, whatever, they made the fun of the person who has a long name. Okay, अनफेमिलियर वन ये करना बहुत ही गलत होता है. बराबर, कोई किसी का नाम अगर लंबा है या ऐसा अलग है तो आप उसका वेंडा पेट्रोस्की नाम है तो आप उसका मजाक उड़ाओगे, उसकी फीलिंग को हर्ट करोगे. दिस इज़ नॉट गुड, दिस इज़ अनफेमिलियर वन. आई प्रीफर, मिस मैसन सेड, मैं प्रीफर करती हूँ टू थिंक दैट व्हाट वॉज सेड, जो हुआ वो होगा, बराबर है, अब उसको रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस काइंड ऑफ द मिस्चीवियस एक्टिविटी शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेड in the thoughtlessness. This is very thoughtlessness. Okay, I know that all of you feel the way I do. I realize that everyone felt very bad for the Venda Petrosky. This is the true unfortunate thing to have happened. और ये सही में बहुत ही गलत हुआ है. Whatever the happens were there in the class with the Venda Petrosky, it is really very bad or unfortunate. Unfortunate and sad, okay, both, and I want you all think about it. Miss Mason told to the class, and everyone must have to thought about that. In future no one will make the fun on the name of any person. The first period was study period. Okay, the first period was study period. Maddie tried to prepare her lessons. Maddie was trying to prepare about the lessons. She was trying to concentrate into the study, but she could not put her mind on her work because she was thought about the Venda Petrosky only. क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा मजाक जो है वो वेंडा पेट्रोस्की का कौन उड़ाता था? पैगी उड़ाती थी एंड मैगी उड़ाती थी. तो मैगी वर ट्राइंग, ओके, मैगी जो थी शी वॉज नॉट मेकिंग द फन ऑफ द वेंडा पेट्रोस्की, बट शी वॉज स्टैंडिंग beside the Peggy while she was making the fun of her. So she felt very bad and she didn't concentrate in her work. She had a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach. शी फेल्ट वेरी सिक फीलिंग बिकॉज उसको ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था कि वेंडा पेट्रोस्की विल नॉट कम टू द स्कूल. शी डिडंट feel good, and just because of that she had a sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach. Truly she had not enjoyed the listening to Peggy ask Venda how many dresses she had in her closet. In really she didn't enjoy this moment whenever Peggy would ask about the Venda Petrosky that how many dresses she had in her closet. That moment she didn't like, but she didn't speak anything just because Peggy was the best friend of her. But she had said nothing. She had stood be silently. She felt that उसको ये बुरा लगा कि वो बाजू में ही खड़ी थी एंड शी डिडेंट अपोज पैगी दैट उसको ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए. सो शी फेल्ट very sad for that, and that was just as bad as what Peggy had done. Okay, whatever the Peggy had done, in reality it was very bad or very wrong, but she must have to oppose the Peggy. उसको पैगी का अपोज करना चाहिए, but she didn't do that. That's why she felt very sorry. Ross, she was a coward. She felt herself as a coward. वो डरपोक थी. Why she was coward? Because she has a fear that Peggy would break the friendship with her. That's why she didn't speak anything to the Peggy. She hadn't considered they were being mean, but Maddie had thought they were doing wrong. Maddie thought that Maddie know that they were doing wrong, but she didn't speak. बराबर, उसका ये मतलब नहीं था कि वो कुछ ना बोले. She must have to speak. She could put herself in Venda's shoes. She also as much responsible for making the fun of the Venda. Okay, just she know that अगर वो वेंडा की जगह पे होती तो उसकी क्या हालत होगी. No one protect the Venda, so she felt very sorry. Goodness, wasn't there anything she could do? अब क्या कर सकते हैं? What will they can do? Venda Petrosky will never come to school. They want to speak the sorry to Venda Petrosky, but how? If only she could tell Venda she hadn't meant to hurt for the feeling. She wants to, okay, Maddie wants to speak sorry to the Venda, and she wants to tell that she didn't want to make the fun, or she didn't want to hurt her feeling. Okay, she turned around and stole a glance at the Peggy. वो ये सब सोच रही होती है एंड सडनली शी टर्न अराउंड और वो पैगी की तरफ देखती है. बट पैगी डिड नॉट टुक अप, लेकिन पैगी उसकी तरफ नहीं देखती है. शी सीम्स टू बी स्टडिंग हार्ड. शी वॉज स्टडिंग. ओके, वो कुछ पढ़ रही थी, कुछ काम कर रही थी पढ़ाई का. वेल, वेदर पैगी फेल्ट बैड और नॉट, देयर वॉज a thought will come in the mind of the Maddie that Peggy will felt bad or not. See, Maddie had to do something. Maddie said that I want to do something. She had to find Venda Petrosky. Maddie decided that she will find Venda Petrosky wherever she was. Okay, she is, sorry. And at that time she will ask, she will tell the sorry to the Venda Petrosky. Maybe she had not yet moved away. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her, and they would tell Venda she had won the contest. Okay, maybe she had not moved away. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her. Okay, Peggy शायद उसके साथ आएगी और वो दोनों जाके उसको बताएंगे कि वो कॉन्टेस्ट जो है वो जीत चुकी है. That they thought she was smart and the 100 dresses were very beautiful. और they were thought, वो ऐसा सोच रहे थे कि वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मार्ट है और उसके 100 ड्रेसेस हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है. Oral comprehension check. Here given a 4 questions for the oral comprehension. You can see on your screen. Okay, whatever the questions are there that you have to write down in your notebook as a homework, that I will check your notebook. You can see in this picture the 100 dresses. From that 100 dresses, some dresses picture are given here only. Okay, some are given into the part number 1. Okay, chapter number 5, some picture is given, some picture is given here. So how beautiful this picture was drawn by the Venda Petrosky. All the time she was speaking about this dresses, but the girls made the fun of her on the name of the dresses. Okay. Next, let's see. When school was dismissed, when school was over into the afternoon, Peggy said, with the pretended closeness, Peggy said something, hey, let's go and see if the kid has left the town or not. Peggy has an idea. वो मैडी को कहती है कि चलो हम जाते हैं मैगी के घर, अरे सॉरी, वेंडा पेट्रोस्की के घर जाते हैं और देखते हैं कि वो अभी टाउन छोड़ के गई है या नहीं गई है. ओके. सो Peggy had the same idea. Peggy had also the same idea. Maddie growled. Peg was really all right. Maddie को लगता है कि Peg कुछ अच्छा काम कर रही है. Two girls hurried out to the building. The two girls, Maddie and Peggy, went to find out the Wanda Petrosky, and because they want to meet her, so they were in the hurry and they were hurried out of the building. स्कूल के बिल्डिंग में से फटाफट वो बाहर निकल जाते हैं. Up to the street towards the Boggins Heights, wherever the जहाँ पे भी Boggins Heights होती है वो गली में वो पहुँचते हैं. The part of the town that was such a forbidding air on this kind of a November afternoon, डेजी, डम्प एंड डिजमल. ओके, डम्प एंड डिजमल का मीनिंग दिया है वैट, सैड. ओके, यहाँ का एटमोसफियर जो था, हियर एक्सप्रेसिंग अ स्टेल ऑफ द होपलेसनेस. ओके, हियर गिवन द वर्ड मीनिंग अबाउट दैट. तो वो दोनों जो है वो एक उम्मीद के साथ जाते हैं कि भाई वेंडा पेट्रोस्की है जो उनको मिलेगी और वो उनको क्या बोलेंगे, सॉरी बोलेंगे. वेल, एटलीस्ट सेड पैगी ग्रफली, आई नेवर डिड कॉल हर अ फॉरेनर और मेक द फन ऑफ हर नेम. पैगी कहती है, पैगी विल से एट लास्ट, मैं कभी भी, आई विल नेवर टेल हर अ फॉरेनर और आई विल नेवर मेड द फन जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हर नेम. आई नेवर थॉट शी हैड द सेंस टू नो वी वर मेकिंग द फन ऑफ एनी वे. आई थॉट शी वॉज टू डम एंड गी, लुक हाउ शी कैन ड्रो. मीन्स पैगी फेल्ट रियलाइजेशन, पैगी रियलाइज दैट कि उसको ऐसा लगता था कि जो वेंडा है वो एकदम डम है, बराबर मूर्ख है, बट जब उसके ड्राइंग देखे शी वॉज इम्प्रेस्ड और वो कहती है कि वो कितनी होशियार है और ड्राइंग उसके देखो कितने अच्छे हैं. सो शी वॉन्ट टू टॉक विथ वेंडा पेट्रोस्की. मैडी कुड से नथिंग, मैडी कुछ भी नहीं बोलती है. मैडी डिडंट स्पीक एनी सिंगल वर्ड. ऑल द होप दैट they would find Wanda. Maddie has a hope that काश एक बार वेंडा उनको मिल जाए. She wanted to tell her that they were sorry they had picked on her. Okay, Wanda wants to say, Maddie wants to say Wanda Petrosky sorry just because of making the fun of her, and how wonderful the whole school thought she was, and please not to move away from everybody, be nice. She and Peggy would fight anybody who was not nice. Okay, Maddie wants to meet Wanda Petrosky and wants to tell that कि हम जो है वो बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से अब आपके साथ रहेंगे. We will do with you, we will become friends and no one into the school will make the fun of Wanda Petrosky on the name of her. ओके, प्लीज़ कम बैक टू द स्कूल. स्कूल में वापस आ जाओ, यहाँ से जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एवरीवन विल बिहेव विथ यू वेरी नाइसली. सब लोग आपसे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बात करेंगे. अगर कोई नहीं करेगा तो मैडी और पैगी जो है वो उसको सबक सिखाएंगे. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ द थॉट वर इन टू द माइंड ऑफ द मैडी. द टू गर्ल्स हरीड ऑन, बहुत जल्दी जाते हैं. दे होप टू गेट द टॉप ऑफ द हिल बिफोर डार्क. बिफोर डार्क, अंधेरा होने से पहले, दे थॉट दैट दे रीच टू द टॉप ऑफ द हिल्स. ओके, आई थिंक दैट्स वर द पेट्रोस्कीज लिव, सेड द मैडी. मैडी सेड दैट ये वेंडा पेट्रोस्की का घर होगा. पॉइंटिंग टू द लिटल वाइट हाउस, देयर वॉज अ लिटल वाइट हाउस, और उसको पॉइंट आउट करके मैडी was speaking that this was the house of the Wanda Petrosky. Whips of the old grasses stuck up here and there along the pathway like the thin kittens. The house and the sparse little yard looked shabby but clean. Okay, what was the atmosphere of the Bogin site in which Vanda Petrovsky was living? It was given about there. वो थोड़ा ओल्डन टाइप के हाउस थे, लेकिन वो एरिया जो था वो दिखने में एकदम शैबी दिखता था, बराबर है, लेकिन वो क्लीन था. It remember many of Vanda's one dresses of her faded blue dress, shabby but clean. It reminded और याद दिला रहा था मैडी को कि वेंडा हैज़ अ वन ब्लू कलर ड्रेस, फैडेड ब्लू कलर ड्रेस. इट वॉज शैबी, लेकिन वो कैसा था, क्लीन था, बट इट वॉज क्लीन. There was not a sign of a life about the house. Just whenever they reached to the house, there is no one into the house. Peggy knocked firmly on the door. Peggy knocked the door, but there was no answer from the inside the house. She and Maggie went around the back side of the yard and knocked there. Both the friends wants to meet Vanda Petrovsky and they wants to say sorry to Vanda Petrovsky. They knock the door front side and back side both, but there will be no reply from the house. Still there was no answer. Okay, आंसर घर में से कोई भी नहीं आ रहा था. You can see the another picture of the dresses which were drawn by the Vanda Petrovsky. Okay, Vanda Petrovsky के जो पिक्चर और सॉरी जो ड्रेसेस है पिक्चर के वो यहाँ पे दिखाए गए हैं. लेट्स सी आगे क्या होता है अगर वो दरवाज़ा नहीं खोलते हैं. देयर वॉज नो डाउट अबाउट इट, द पेट्रोस्की वर गॉन. इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर दैट वेंडा पेट्रोस्की वॉज नॉट इन टू द हाउस. हाउ कुड दे एवर मेक एमेंड्स, बराबर है, वो कभी. टू मेक एमेंड्स का मतलब क्या होता है, टू शो दैट वन इज़ सॉरी फॉर डूइंग समथिंग गुड. किसने बहुत ही ख़राब किया है और आप उसको सॉरी बोलना चाहते हो और वो इंसान आपको मिल नहीं पा रहा है, तो व्हाट विल यू डू, विच काइंड ऑफ द प्रोसेस विल कम इन योर माइंड. सो दैट सिचुएशन वर एट दैट टाइम ऑफ मैडी एंड पैगी. दे टर्न स्लोली एंड मेड देयर वे बैक टू द डाउन हिल, और फिर वो रिटर्न हो जाते हैं. वेल एनीवे सेड पैगी, शी इज़ गॉन नाउ, सो व्हाट कैन वी डू. पैगी कहती अब तो वो चली गई, अब क्या करें हम लोग, बराबर है, होती तो हम सॉरी बोल देते, लेकिन वो तो है ही नहीं. शी इज़ नॉट देयर, हाउ कुड वी से द सॉरी टू हर. Beside, when I was asking her about her dresses, she probably was getting good idea for her drawings. She might not even have won the contest otherwise. Peggy thought कि अगर मैं उसको पूछती नहीं तुम्हारे उसके 100 ड्रेसेस के बारे में, देन हाउ कुड शी हैज़ एन आइडिया अबाउट द ड्राइंग ऑफ द 100 ड्रेसेस. उसको 100 ड्रेसेस को ड्रॉ करने के आइडिया कहाँ से आते. अगर वो कॉन्टेस्ट जीती है तो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मैं उसको पूछती थी इसीलिए जीती है. शी वॉज थॉट लाइक दैट, बराबर. हु वॉज पैगी. ओके, बट मैडी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट थॉट फ्रॉम द पैगी. मैडी टर्न हिज आइडिया केयरफुली ओवर हर हेड, फॉर इफ देयर वॉज एनीथिंग in it she would not have to feel so badly. मैडी को लगता है कि भाई उसके दिमाग में जो चल रहा है, वॉट एवर वर रनिंग इन टू द माइंड ऑफ द पैगी, उससे ऐसा जरा भी नहीं लग रहा है कि वो उसको ज़रा ख़राब लग रहा है वेंडा पेट्रोस्की के बारे में. बट दैट नाइट शी कुड नॉट गेट टू स्लीप. दैट नाइट मैडी कुड नॉट स्लीप. She thought about the Vanda and her faded blue dresses. Every time she thought about the Vanda और उसके ड्रेस के बारे में, little house she had lived in, और उसके घर के बारे में जहाँ पे वो रहती थी. And she thought of the glowing picture of the 100 dresses made. In short, Maddie was thought entire night about the Vanda Petrovsky, his house, his drawing, his life. She was thinking about that only. All line up into the classroom. All the dresses were lined up into the classroom. At last, Maddie sat up in the bed and passed her forehead tight इन हर हैंड्स. वो उसका सिर चिकराने लगता है और वो अपने सिर को पकड़ लेती है. ही टाइड हर हैंड्स हेड्स विथ हर हैंड्स एंड रियली थॉट, ओके, दिस वॉज द हार्डेस्ट थिंकिंग शी हैड एवर डन. बिफोर दिस शी डिडंट हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ द फीलिंग. शी फेल्ट वेरी सैडली, शी फेल्ट सॉरी, बट टू हुम शी विल स्पीक अबाउट दिस. ओके, बिकॉज जिसको सॉरी बोलना था वो अब उनके सामने ही नहीं थी, तो वो किसको बोलेंगी. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम शी रीच द इम्पॉर्टेंट कंक्लूजन. आफ्टर थिंकिंग अ लॉट वो एक कंक्लूजन के ऊपर आती है. व्हाट कंक्लूजन शी हैड, शी वॉज नेवर गोइंग टू स्टैंड बाय एंड से नथिंग अगेन. ओके, वो कभी भी कुछ भी आगे से किसी को भी नहीं बोलेगी. इफ शी एवर heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had a strange name, she will speak up. वो डिसाइड करती है, सी डिसाइडेड दैट अगर कोई किसी को उसके फ़नी नेम की वजह से, इफ़ समवन वॉज स्पीकिंग टू द समवन विथ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द फनी नेम और फनी लुकिंग, तो वो उसको पनिशमेंट करेगी या उसको सबक सिखाएगी. पिकिंग ऑन समवन मतलब उसको पता चलेगा, नोइंग को पता चलेगा कि वो किसी के साथ अनफेयर है, अनकाइंडली है कोई, तो वो उसको सबक सिखाएगी. इवन इफ़ इट मीन लूजिंग पैगीज फ्रेंडशिप, उसके लिए चाहे उसको पैगी की फ्रेंडशिप क्यों ना तोड़नी पड़े, शी इज़ रेडी फॉर दैट. शी हैड नो वे ऑफ मेकिंग थिंग्स राइट विथ वेंडा. शी anyone didn't have a right to make the fun with anyone on its name or look, she thought like that. और किसी को भी वेंडा पेट्रोस्की का मजाक उड़ाने का अधिकार नहीं था. बट फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन शी वुड नेवर मेक एनीबडी एल्स दैट अनहैप्पी अगेन. और वो डिसाइड करती है कि वो कभी भी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हर बिहेवियर वो किसी को भी वो अनहैप्पी अगेन नहीं करेगी. सो this is the 3 questions that you have to write down. Oral comprehension you can see on your screen. This 3 question answer you have to write down in your notebook. So answer you will get from the above explanation. Okay, these are the dresses which were drawn by the Venda Petrosky. So friends, in this lecture, in this part we will stop till here. Okay, यहाँ तक हम लोग complete करते हैं. In our next video we will discuss about the remaining part of the lesson related to this video. Whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF that you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, in our next video we will discuss further about this lesson. Bye, take